Look what is behind me. Oh my god. So, when I was younger, quick story, I had two E46 M3s, and the CSL was always the one I wanted, but the budget just wouldn't stretch that far. And right now, with massive thanks to BMW UK, I've got my hands on an E46 M3 CSL. Keen to see what this is like and what it sounds like. I've heard it in videos, but I've never really heard it myself. You can never get tired of that noise. You genuinely can't. That carbon airbox for me is the game changer. If you have an E46 M3 and you can stretch with the budget, that's worth the money right there. It sounds so good. Wow. The seats, I know I talked about them being very lightweight and that, but actually they're really comfortable. They serve a purpose. I can't get over the noise. The noise is ridiculous. So, what do we reckon? I think that's a reverse sensor that isn't quite working. That was a thing. They seem to happen a lot in my car. SMG gearbox. See, I think with SMG, you learn how to drive it. It's not like the newer gearboxes that you find on the newer M cars where, you just put your foot to the floor and you go. There is a bit of a delay, obviously, in the gear change, and that's to be expected. It's an older car. It's not lightning quick, double clutch. Effectively, it's a manual gearbox without a clutch. That's pretty much what this is. But yeah, no, I think you do need to learn to drive SMGs. I've always been a fan of the manual cars, the E46 M3 manuals. I think I'll continue to be a fan of the manual car, but I am a massive fan and advocate of this E46 M3 CSL. For me, it's amazing. It's so simple. The idea is simple, yet brilliant. Lightweight car, big lump in the front, strip it out completely, rear wheel drive, massive carbon intake on the front, makes for immense fun. Still looks for me, this car still looks amazing. It's an icon. It's going to be, and it's rising in value. It still looks amazing. 15 years on, this car is, and yeah, what more do you want? I'm just going to do one last blast. This just never gets old, this car, if I'm honest with you. I just love it so much. Yeah, man. And the thing is with this, the slides are controllable, as well. It's grippy, it's forgiving, it doesn't overcompensate, but yeah. humble abode that we are staying in. Oh. Right, so as I've mentioned in the video, I've always had a lot of love for the E46 M3, but that thing there is just an icon. Everything about that car is fantastic. I mean, I talked about the SMG gearbox bit earlier on, but I think that just adds to the character. I mean, look at it. Just look at how beautiful that car looks. It sounds incredible. It still goes. For the age of the car, I think it's aged very, very well. But yeah, there you go. That's my quick and dirty overview of the M3 CSL. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. As always, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel over here on Instagram for all the pre-YouTube kind of stuff. I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.